Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to empty Google Photos trash. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Now we can go to the collection and then to the trash. But if you have nothing, you need to delete something. So just select some photos and click trash. And now let's move to collection and trash. So right here we can delete them. Before we delete to these photos and we have it in the trash. But if you remove photos in the trash, you will permanently delete them. So right now I click delete and that's it. I cannot restore them. So how to delete, how to empty this trash? You can select all photos by just press and hold the first one and then select all of them. But right here we have better option is to click at the three dots, then select. And right here, if you want to delete empty full trash, just click delete all and delete. And we just delete it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.